Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and I have a box here to open, but it's a rather large box, as you can see here. So I'm just going to open it off to the side here. Sorry about that. But we will get this thing open here, hopefully. It's got a lot of tape on it. It's not the see-through kind either, so I need to get it cut open. All right, got the top open, and we'll open it up here. Packaging out of the way. Yeah, so that's why it was in a big box. It's got a big box inside of it. So let's get this open. Well, I guess you'll see from the video description, so it's not quite a surprise, but it is a Seiko Tuna. This is the latest iteration of the Seiko Tuna, and I have a previous generation, so I'll do a comparison video of that here soon. There we go, got the lid off. I'm not sure what that is in there. Oh, okay. So this must be where the original owner bought it from. I bought this watch used. I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce that, but I have purchased, I'm pretty sure I purchased a watch from them in the past. So anyway, let's get this thing open here. I guess it's the other way around. All kinds of wrapping and packaging here. So this is an aftermarket Uncle Seiko strap, and then this is the factory Seiko strap for the Tuna, silicone. I don't know, I just, ever since having FKM rubber straps, silicone just doesn't really wow me or impress me anymore. But anyway, that's a story for a different day. Let's set this off to the side, and we'll take a look at the watch here. Let's just zoom in. There we go. Got the other stuff out of the background. Oh wow, so it must be ceramic. It's pretty shiny. Maybe not. Maybe that could be PVD steel as well. I need to do some research. This is the... Which model is this? Well, I'll have to figure that out. Usually it says on the box somewhere. I don't know, maybe it'll be on the case back. I don't see any hang tags in here. Man, this is a tight fit with this keeper here. Try not to worry about the strap poking out of the keeper. I'm not sure what kind of material this is. I'll have to look up this model number. I'm pretty sure this is an Uncle Seiko strap. Yep, there we go. Bought this watch a while ago. Just finally getting around to unboxing it. Uncle Seiko stainless steel, Japan. Interesting. So that there is the movement number 7C46. Diverse watch 300, for saturation diving. I'm not seeing a model number, so I will have to figure that out. I believe this is the blue dial as well. The bezel definitely looks blue. And yep, there we go. That's a blue dial. So all right, let's get this on wrist, and then we'll close out the video. I'm gonna have to switch the straps back around, just put this back on the factory strap. Not sure why he bought this one. I'm the second owner of this watch. Now, if you just look at the numbers for a tuna, you think they'll be really big on your wrist, but it's all diameter. Typically, the diameter is larger than the lug to lug, which is funny how that works. And also, if you want, you can get metal bracelets with the straight end link, and they hide underneath this case, so it looks like an integrated fit. So that's nice as well, because you're not seeing the top of this silicone or rubber strap either. So same thing would work for a stainless steel bracelet. They're a little bit thick though. Now that bezel's super easy to turn. Can't quite do it with one finger, but 2 fingers is very easy to turn. All right, we'll zoom out and then close out the video. If you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Greatly appreciate it if you subscribe. Leave a comment, let me know what you think of this watch. And here's, what color is that strap? It looks like it's blue, or yeah, a darker blue, navy blue, whatever you want to call it. So I think that will look better with this dial and bezel. So I'll swap this out and do some research, and we'll have a full presentation video one of these days. So anyway, that will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time, and I'll catch you on the next video.